How long does it usually take to feel the fetal heartbeat with your hands?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to discuss an incredibly exciting aspect of pregnancy, the moment when you can feel your baby's heartbeat. This is not just a pivotal milestone in pregnancy, but a truly magical experience for expecting parents. It's important to note that the experience can vary depending on a range of factors, so let's dive in.
When does the fetal heartbeat begin?
Before we get into feeling the heartbeat, let's quickly understand when it starts. The baby's heart starts to beat at around 6 weeks of gestation. At this stage, the heartbeat can be detected using an ultrasound, but it's still too early to feel it with your hands.
When can you feel the fetal heartbeat with your hands?
The time when you can actually feel the fetal heartbeat with your hands is typically much later in the pregnancy. The mother's abdominal wall, uterus, and the amniotic fluid all act as barriers, making it difficult to physically feel the heartbeat without the aid of medical equipment. In general, it's not until the third trimester, often around the 30th week of pregnancy, that some women may start to feel rhythmic movements which can sometimes be confused with the baby's heartbeat. However, these are typically baby movements rather than an actual heartbeat.
How can I monitor my baby's heartbeat?
The best way to monitor your baby's heartbeat is through regular prenatal checkups. Healthcare providers have specialized equipment like Doppler heartbeat monitors and ultrasounds to accurately detect and monitor your baby's heartbeat. Remember, never use at-home Doppler devices or other heartbeat monitoring tools without the guidance of a healthcare professional, as they may provide inaccurate information and cause unnecessary worry or false reassurance. In conclusion, while feeling your baby's heartbeat with your hands is a beautiful concept, it's not typically possible until much later in pregnancy, and even then, it's often confused with other fetal movements. But don't worry, you'll have plenty of opportunities to connect with your little one through kicks, flips, and wiggles. Keep up with your prenatal appointments to ensure you and your baby are healthy. And remember, every pregnancy is unique, so enjoy your own journey. Thanks for tuning in.